soup, soupe, soupe, festival, fest, fest, class, classe, classe, jogging, joggen, joggen, path, weg, weg, under, 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 beside, neben, neben, before, for, for, publishing house, verlag house, verlag house, publisher, verlang, verlang,